Good morning, guys. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I really had missed you guys, and I know you as well have been missing me in your screens, but here I am. So I hope I didn't go for too long, but I thank God that everything has turned out to be okay now, and now we can do back to back content. And yeah, guys, so I hope you're doing well. Let me know down below in the comment section if you've been doing well, because yeah, so it's just a random vlog. I've just woken up, and we're going to do one two brush the teeth, breakfast and all that, and then now the next vlog I'll catch you up. So stay put, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button and like. So guys, let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome to my new kitchen. Don't ask me where I am. It's my kitchen. It is my kitchen. It is what it is. So we are in the new house, of course. Not very spacious, but yes, we can manage, or we are managing. So the kitchen is in a mess because I just shifted, and I want to arrange the utensils first, and then I haven't connected my cooker, so it's gonna be pretty hectic. I haven't connected, so I want to look for the person who is gonna connect my cooker. I don't know, it's so hard for me to fix the cooker and the gas, you know. So right now I just want to use the small gas, whatever cylinder, to make my breakfast. And before that, let me first arrange the utensils, because I washed them and I haven't arranged. I just arranged the glasses. And okay, so let's do this. Nataka niwe wimbo. Okay, let's put this first, like this. So guys, you might be wondering what this is. This is sugar. Some few weeks ago, I was at home. That is my home village, and my dad did this to me. He said, "You're not going back to Nairobi without carrying something to eat, something to drink, and all that." So this is sugar. He gave me the sugar, and I want to transfer from this pepper to this tin here, so that it can be easily accessible. Okay, let's do this. This is maize flour. This is some rice. My dad. And then finally salt. So basically this month I'm not going to buy sugar, I'm not going to buy rice, I'm not going to buy maize flour, I'm not going to buy salt, and I'm not going to buy tea leaves. So kinda I'm sorted for these, and then the oil is the only thing that I'm going to buy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let me do this first. Excusez-moi, s'il vous plaît. Guys, so as I said, I've not connected the cooker yet. I'm gonna use this one to prepare my breakfast and maybe some lunch until my cooker is connected to gas. It's pretty hard. So let me show you how the cooker looks like at the moment. That is it. And then we have that's what you can see, the gas cylinder. So let's use this one, this small gas cylinder to prepare our tea. Do not mind, guys, the kitchen is pretty small. No, please don't do this to me. What, guys, the milk I was sold is spoiled. Dude. Look, spoiled. So guys, as you can see, our breakfast is ready and I'm yet to take it right now. Thank you so very much for staying put and watching the entire video. I really thank you guys. So let's catch up in the next vlog and do not forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let me see you. Au revoir. Ciao ciao.